All right, YouTube world. This video is being made for a guy by the name of RX9. RX9, an old tippler flyer. He don't fly tipplers anymore, but maybe one day he'll come back to the game. RX9, here's the tippler that we spoke about. It's a cock, and he's finishing up on the molt. He's kind of rough looking right now. I'm gonna show you the band number here in a minute. Hold on. Let me set this right here. All right. Here, it's a MPA band. NPA 2014 1/4, if you can see it. Band number 1551. And then your personalized band right here, RX9'S tipplers, band number 215. Check it out, bro. He's going through the molt. Don't look the best right now. He's almost done. He's last flight. Body feathers didn't come out too tight. I don't know. But let's see. Maybe I just roughed him up a little bit. All right, let's see if you... There he is, 2014 tippler. Kind of rough. Roughed up a little bit. His head is not even done. His neck's not even done. He looks like an old man. 2014. All right, RX9, tell me what you think. I know you bred this. And there you have it, the blue bar tippler.